Alright, this is lesson 18 problem set. The first one says, in 1 year, the factory used 11,650 meters of cotton, 4,950 fewer meters of silk than cotton, and 3,500 fewer meters of wool than silk. How many meters in all were used in all three fabrics? Alright, so I'm going to start with cotton, silk, and wool. Those will be my three tapes for my tape diagram. It says in the problem 11,650 meters of cotton, it says 4,950 fewer meters of silk than cotton. So I'm going to have to go back 4,950 for this problem. And wool is 3,500 fewer than the silk. And that sets up your problem for number 1. What you're going to have to do to solve, you're going to have to subtract 4,950 from 11,650. Whatever this number is, take 3,500 away to find out your wool, and add the cotton, the silk, and the wool together. That's problem 1. The second problem, there are 4 different flavors of ice cream cones. There's chocolate, cookie dough, peanut butter, and vanilla. And I'll set this problem up the same way I set the first one. It says that the shop sold 12,789 chocolate. 12,789 chocolate. And 9,324 cookie dough. Peanut butter, it says they sold 1,078 more peanut butter cones than cookie dough. So I'm going to go the same number as cookie dough, and then 1,078 more. Then for my vanilla, it says they sold 999 more than chocolate. I'm going to go to my chocolate, make a line down, go 999 more than chocolate, and the rest will be chocolate, the same number as chocolate. And that sets up my tape diagram for number 2. In order to solve this problem, I would have to take this number, add this number, find out what this number will be, add these together. Once I find my total for each one of the flavors, I'll have to add them all together at the end to find out how many total cones were sold. And for number 3, there were 4 weeks. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. It says in the first week of June they sold 10,345 omelets. In the second week they sold 1,096 fewer. I'm going to make this 1,096 fewer than 10,345. The third week they sold 2,000 more than the first week. I'm going to make it the same length as the first week and 2,000 more. And for the fourth week, they sold 2,000 fewer than the first week. So I'm going to make my little line going down so that I know where it ends. We're going to go 2,000 fewer than this line. And that will be easy to figure out. I'm going to have to find my totals for each tape and then add them all together for a total of how many omelets were sold.